So in order to have that blow-off sound on the T-Jet engines, especially on the Bravo, you can do that without any investment. This is how you do it. You remove this elbow from here. This usually connects this piece, which is the recirculating valve, to this piece, and it goes. There should be another hose here. I also removed this, but you don't really need to remove it. And you just unplug this hose, take the elbow, stick a bottle cap inside it. I zip tied it, don't really need to, it won't go any further. And after you pop off this hose, you can just leave it dangling over here. You just install this. This stops it getting really big chunks of dirt or crap or hot air from the engine. This is right before the turbo. So that's all you need to do. After you do this, you'll have that blow-off sound. And just to clarify, removing that part won't actually cause any problems, because the T-Jet doesn't have a MAF sensor, it only has a map. So it doesn't care about the small amount of air that's lost through here. If it would have a MAF sensor as well, then you couldn't do this modification.